This is my current workshop, studio, office, whatever you want to call it. And while I've loved my time here, it's time, with the help of my lovely wife.
Sorry. I didn't think about that. Sorry.
It's time to move.
Today's video is sponsored by FlexiSpot. More on them in a bit. So this is our old workshop, our old office. You can see my beautiful wife there. It's cramped, it's dirty, and it's time to move on. So you can see my 3D printers right now are sitting kind of in a closet, which for better or for worse works, but not great. And it's really cool that the channel's at a point where I need a little bit more space. You know, it'll be really cool to have that opportunity, and I want to thank all of you for allowing that opportunity to need more space. Right now, I'm taking apart my desk. I love my desk. I'll have a link to the base of the desk down below. I love this thing. It's awesome, and I wanted to preserve this as much as possible.
Success.
And this is the new space we're going to. So we really don't use this basement much at all. We have some couches down here, TV, and then it's pretty much junk storage, as you can see. We're in the process of redoing our kitchen, so we just kind of throw stuff everywhere right now. But you can see, you know, there's a nice storage area in the back as well, TV. It's a really awesome space, and there's a lot of room for me to spread out and start working towards, you know, the YouTube channel and growing that.
So I'm thinking if we lean it this way, can you hold the bottom part? Yeah.
Somersault.
Oh yeah. All right, so while the wife is headed up to bring some more stuff down, I'm going to put the desk back together. My desk is going to go right over where that freezer is. So I'm going to get the desk assembly done, move the freezer around, and then kind of show you where my desk is going to reside. That's one way to do it. All right, so here's kind of my thought process with putting the desk where it is if you've seen some other of my videos, you might have seen I do a lot of like talking head videos, kind of like at my desk, showing stuff on the screen. So I thought it would be nice to be able to like have my desk or my chair and stuff back in here, right? But also like kind of over on this side, I can put my light, my camera, etc. And it's just very easy for me to access and move stuff around. But then if I want to do like build videos, I'm thinking about putting a table like right in here, right? I can very easily shift my light from here, kind of right behind the table without too much fuss. I just think that'll make life a lot easier. All right, so PC is down. Before I get everything set up, wife suggested I vacuum behind. That's a terrific idea. Cleanliness is always good. All right, so I'm fairly certain you don't want to see a putz try and mess around with all these cables. So I'm going to get those set up. Hopefully the PC turns on. Everything's good there. And I'll get back to you in a second when the desk is all ready to go. All right, moment of truth. Heck yeah. No keyboard detected. That's all right. We can make that work. I don't know why. I'm always a little bit nervous that when I move this, it's not going to turn on. That's an awesome PC. I actually bought this thing on Facebook Marketplace. It was a little bit shifty, I'll be honest, but everything turned out okay. It works great. I love it. If you want the specs on that, just let me know down in the comments below. I'd be happy to let you know. All right, so peripherals are in place. I have the Red Dragon mechanical keyboard. I love this thing. The Razer Death Adder Chroma, and honestly, I forget what webcam that is. 4K one works really, really well. I have links to all of these down in the description below if you want to take a look and check them out. I also have my desk stand is actually a tabletop from Lowe's, or countertop, excuse me, from Lowe's that I ordered. And the base itself is actually from Amazon. I'll link that down below as well. One of the things that I am concerned about is all of the cables are going to look terrible back in here. And not that anybody will see them, but it's something that I'm going to notice. So if you have suggestions for how to tackle all that cable management stuff, please let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to take some of your suggestions and clean this up and make it look really nice. The other thing I want to do is take my PC and actually attach it to my desk. That way, when I use the stand feature of it, it actually comes with me, because a lot of times all the cables start, pulling themselves a little bit too tight. So any comments you have, any suggestions, that you have, please leave them down below. Almost forgot to vacuum. So now that we're sufficiently sweaty from all of that work, the desk setup is turning out really, really awesome. I think it looks great. But there's one thing missing, and that's a chair. And it's really my pleasure to introduce today's sponsor for the video, FlexiSpot.
FlexiSpot was generous enough to send me out their Ergo X Pro. Setup was honestly super easy. They gave you a nice instruction sheet. Everything was well packaged. As you're building it, it's pretty clear to see that the materials are solid. Again, well constructed. If I can figure it out, you can too. I think I put this together in maybe 15 minutes, and part of that was because I sat on the included tool that you see here for quite a while and didn't really know where that was. So a good chunk of the time that I did spend assembling this together was because of losing the tools. So it's really neat. Again, everything's easy to follow. The instruction sheet was nice. Honestly, it was a 10 out of 10 unboxing experience, assembly experience from the beginning to the end. I just felt like it was easy to do. You can see I sometimes had to go on my side here and make a little bit of a different angle, but altogether, again, assembly it's just clear. It's a solid product. The nice part is all of the adjustment features you see. The first sit down was just too good. It's comfortable, and as you can see, there's just so many different ways to adjust the chair. My posture sucks, so being able to adjust all these to fit me was just an awesome thing to have, because I spend a lot of time at my desk. As you can see in a little bit, I spend a lot of time in CAD, in Fusion. This thing is built for speed as well. My wife loves it. The long hours at the desk make things a lot easier. There's just adjustments. If you're interested in picking one of these awesome chairs up for yourself, there's a link down in the description below. And I'm just very thankful to FlexiSpot for sponsoring this video. And also, I might use this for work, but sometimes I'm going to use this for the good old Fortnite. I don't know if you've played Droid Tycoon yet, but that thing is super addicting, and I would highly encourage you to do so. So thanks again, FlexiSpot. Fresh off my own battle, but straight into my wife's. Her desk was a beast. It's time to get that moved downstairs as well.
All right, so we just got my wife's desk down here too. We got kind of the alternating setups here by the door. Looks kind of cool. I think one of the things we need yet is a curtain kind of covering that door. Make sure nobody's peeking in at our work here. So I think the plan moving forward is I have my 3D printers still upstairs, and I think I'm going to keep them upstairs for now. Just because if you look, I have this humidity monitor, and it's at 50% right now, which to me seems a little high to run the 3D printers down here and keep my filament stored. So if you can see kind of in here, we are having somebody work on, we had to get a new AC system, which was great. But we're actually having them put a like dehumidifier down here as well. Like we have a small one. We're having them put like a condenser unit, I guess it's called, to keep the humidity down as low as possible. And then the printers will come down here. I think the printers will actually go right here, or maybe even in the back storage area as well. Again, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with that just yet, but I think it's looking pretty awesome right now. And that new chair back there makes it look even awesomer.
All right, so long day of moving stuff around, but it's the first video we're filming in the new studio workshop office area, which is pretty wild. It's just neat to kind of sit back and reflect a little bit on. I started the channel because I was posting like tutorial videos for my students on my school's account, and it all of a sudden people started tuning in and following along, and kind of put the bug in my head a little bit that maybe I could do something with this, and here we are, 3,500 subscribers, FlexiSpot offering to sponsor things is pretty neat. And it's just, I'm grateful first off, so thank you so much for all of your support if you're watching. it's really cool. It's something to reflect on. And I have to have not have to, obviously, but I get the opportunity to have, a workshop studio in the basement because things are going well and I want to continue to pursue this. So there's a lot of plans for this space. I can't wait to have a bunch of 3D printers down here. Can't wait to, get some better lighting and stuff. Obviously the lighting's already better. As you can see, I just think it's better, overall things are going really well. And again, I'm just grateful. I'm excited to see if you have some ideas of what you want to see in the shop or suggestions that you have for me on how to make this place run a little bit more efficiently. I would love to hear them down in the comments below. Again, things are going really well right now. And it's cool to kind of see some fruits of that labor come along. So again, just thank you. That's all it is. I'm excited for the new space and stay tuned for some more videos. If you like the content, I would love it if you subscribed. Let me know your thoughts down below and hopefully we'll catch you in a future video. Thanks.